Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and try on the Swatch BIOCERAMIC MOONSWATCH Mission to Pluto. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Swatch BIOCERAMIC MOONSWATCH Mission to Pluto, reference So33M101. And just taking a look at the details. That's on the box packaging. And on the underside of the box, the 11 planets representing the Omega X Swatch BIOCERAMIC MOONSWATCH watch collection. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by sliding off the outer box sleeve. And just setting the sleeve to the side and giving you a look at the inner box. And the underside of it. Okay, so now let's go ahead and open up the box by flipping open the box flaps to reveal the Swatch BIOCERAMIC MOONSWATCH Mission to Pluto, and giving you a look at the watch as it sits in its holder inside of the box. And you can see its overall design with a pale grey case and contrast burgundy accents on the tachymeter scale and subdials or registers. Okay, now let's go ahead and pop the contents out from the box, which are the papers, as well as the watch itself on its holder. And let's remove it from its holder, and of course setting it on the tabletop. And just closing the box back up. And sliding the sleeve back on it and just setting the box to the side once again. So we have a clear and unobstructed view of the items from the Swatch BIOCERAMIC MOONSWATCH Mission to Pluto's box packaging laid out across the tabletop. So let's start off by first taking a look at this slip of paper, which is the warranty certificate for the watch, which comes with a 2-year international guarantee or warranty. So just setting that to the side and moving right along, there is an instruction booklet or user manual with warranty information in very small print, and it's covered in many other languages right throughout the panels or pages of that booklet. So just setting that to the side, and of course we do have the catalogue for the Swatch BIOCERAMIC MOONSWATCH watch collection. And let's open it up, and you can see there are many pages or panels covering the 11 watches on both sides of this booklet, and of course the features and details of the collection. So giving you a look right there, and the various models representing each of the 11 planets or stars of the watch collection. And flipping right over, and of course, as I mentioned, the features and details of this Moonswatch collection. Okay, and just folding it closed, and setting that to the side. So just going to set it on the left hand side of the table, and now moving to the main item itself, the Swatch BIOCERAMIC MOONSWATCH Mission to Pluto, reference SO33M101. So it does have a 42mm case size with a thickness of 13.25mm. So you can see that high contrast colorway or design with the burgundy accents on the tachymeter scale, as well as the subdials or registers. And let's peel off the protective sticker so you have a much clearer look at the details of the face or dial of the Moonswatch. So it does have a black seconds hand for its chronograph, and the black baton markers as well for the hours. And of course the dark grey Velcro hook and loop strap. And to give you some sense of the size of the watch, with its 42mm case size just resting in my palm, to give you some sense of its size and giving you some perspective as well. So you can see the details once again, and the script with the Speedmaster at about 9 o'clock and Moonswatch at 3 o'clock, and of course the Omega X Swatch at the 12 o'clock position. And there is an etched S on the underside of the acrylic crystal or glass. And taking a look at the pushers and the crown bearing the Omega symbol, cross S for Swatch. Not sure how well you can see that, but just letting the light play on that crown so you can see that fine detail right there. And of course the pump pushers and overall case details. So giving you a look right there with the profile of the case with its 13.25mm thickness, and of course the back of the case continuing with that very pale grey design, and of course the engraving on the back side. And the watch does have a 30mm water resistance, and you can see on the battery cover the image of Pluto. And taking a look at the Velcro strap in dark grey, you can see it does have a slightly metallic sheen to it, and towards the long end there is the Speedmaster Moonswatch details with the Mission to Pluto branding as well. It's right there giving you a further out look at the watch and its Velcro strap. And let's activate the chronograph by pressing on the pusher at the 2 o'clock position, and you can see that black chronograph seconds hand ticking away. And let's let it complete a 60-second cycle so that we can see that minute counter at 10 o'clock tick 1 across. There we have it, just a 1 minute round of the dial. Now let's stop the chronograph and reset it. Alright, now let's go ahead and try the watch on. So I do have a 17.2 centimeter circumference wrist, or 6 3/4 inches. Let's strap the watch on by looping the dark grey Velcro strap through the keeper on the short end where the Omega branding is, and to give you some sense of the length of the strap and how the watch sits so far, before I tuck the strap down right there, and giving you a look right now on my wrist, the Swatch BIOCERAMIC Moonswatch Mission to Pluto. And giving you a much closer in look right there on wrist. And straight down as well. And up close on the underside of that Velcro strap. Okay, and now let's pop the watch off and give you one more look at the details of that creamy dial with the burgundy accents and the very light grey case in bioceramic. So that's the Swatch BIOCERAMIC Moonswatch Mission to Pluto. Thanks for watching and happy ticking!